Hello, Cutie Quilters, and this is your Closet Quilter, Ellie Miriam. As promised, we're doing ruler work, and I just wanted to show you. I have my Husky table, and I've got it at a really good height to quilt, free motion quilt with, and I just want to show you doing ruler work. My arm, this is my arm right here, and my neck is not crunched, or my shoulders are not up crunched. My shoulders are down, my arm is resting. It's very easy. I took it down just a drop so that my shoulder would be down while I do ruler work because my arm is up here. So this is it. I'm doing really well, and let's just do some ruler work. I have one of these pre-printed panels that I'm using for a baby quilt. I did some free motion work, but I didn't outline each square. That's what I'm doing now. Just outlining each square. Okay, that's as far as I can go. So let's back this up. And I'll just turn this off so I don't have a problem. Leaving my needle down. Why? Because I am going to, sorry about that. I am going to move my work this way. So I'm leaving, oh wait a minute. I did that backwards. I have to leave this one in, and I'm moving it that way. So I unhook these two, or maybe just this one, because I won't have to go far. And I unhook the front ones, front clips. I just put them on there, and I pull her down so I can finish. That ought to do it. It's that easy. It really is that easy. I mean, it really is that easy. That's a little too tense. Okay, so what I do is I do my karate chop to make it so it's not so tense. And I move my cutie clip down here. Put this clip down here because this is where I'm working. I want the proper amount of attention here. There. That ought to be good. And I can use my ruler. Okay. Let's turn this baby back on. There. Is that okay? Yes. Okay. Now I am using the Piece and Quilt 4-in-1 ruler. Natalia Bonner sells these in Piece and Quilt. I'm using the mini. And of course my Ergonomic convertible foot with the ruler feet attached. I use, for my machine, it's the 16P Ergonomic convertible ruler foot for the 16P. That's the one I use for the PQ 1500S or the SL now. Okay, and I'm using my speed controller by Grace. The pulse button is what I use instead of the on and off button. It gives me more control. And almost done with this. All right, that's done. Now I'll shift back. But as you can see, my shoulder level is good. My neck is not crunched. See, when I'm on the frame, my neck is up, my back is straight. So that's not going to cause any problems. No pinched nerves. So, I hope this has helped you somewhat. Oops, I didn't tuck my tails. I hope I don't have a problem. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't. Thank you, God. Anyway, tuck your tails. Be sure and use these top hooks. Hook those on and tuck your tails. That's always very helpful. Don't forget, because you will not be happy. I'm so excited about this table. I keep forgetting to do certain things, but I've got to keep my mind on my business. Oh, also, I don't want to forget, when doing ruler work, I use the So Steady domestic ruler base. They make it according to your machine, and just tell them that you have a Cutie frame and you measure your top carriage base. You'll see when you go online. Just go to StokeSteady.com. They have that. What else? Oh, and this is the G2 top carriage by Grace with the over-the-top handles, which is wonderful. And they have back handles. And I have the laser on there for pantographs, which I'll be doing sometime. I think I'll be doing it on my next one, my next top. But anyway, I'm just finishing this up, and I hope you have a great quilting day. Bye for now from your Closet Quilter. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, if you like this video, be sure and do a thumbs up. Thanks.